Hi students, today I am going to explain about a determinant. So this is the concept which has so many applications. First one is, using this concept determinant, we can solve system of linear equations. Second one is, finding area of triangle with three given vertices. And third one is, it is used to find equation of line passing through two given points, and it is also used to find the condition of collinearity of three given points. With the help of knowledge of this determinant, we can also define vector product as well as scalar triple products. That's why the study of this determinant is very much important. So along with this, as per your PU board theoretical examination, this chapter carries 12 marks. That 12 marks can be classified as one question for 1 mark, and one question for 2 mark, and one question for 4 mark, and one question for 5 marks. So therefore, totally 12 marks covered in this chapter. So now, before going to explain about the notation and meaning of determinant, first I will recall the concept related to this determinant. Then what is that concept? That concept is matrix. What is matrix? As we already studied, matrix means arrangement. Matrix means arrangement of numbers using rows and columns, and that arrangement is enclosed within the square bracket. This structure is known as matrix. What is meant by matrix? Matrix is nothing but arrangement of numbers using rows and columns that is enclosed within the square bracket. That is known as matrix. So, and also we have studied, usually matrices are denoted by English capital letters. Matrices are usually denoted by English capital letters, and matrices is the word, plural word of matrix. Okay. And one more thing we have already studied, that is types of matrices. So we can broadly classify matrices as rectangular matrix as well as square matrix. So what is meant by rectangular matrix? Rectangular matrix is the matrix in which number of rows is not same as number of columns. Here there are 2 rows and 3 columns. So number of rows is not same as number of columns in this matrix. Therefore, this matrix is known as rectangular matrix. So whereas square matrix is the matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. Here there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, so it has equal number of rows and columns. What is that? Rectangular matrix is the matrix in which number of rows is different from number of columns, but in case of square matrix, number of rows is same as number of columns. Then all matrices are denoted by capital letters. Matrix is nothing but arrangement and closed within the square bracket. So now come to the point determinant. So what is the notation of determinant and meaning of determinant? Here, this new concept determinant is only related to square matrices. It is related to square matrices only, not for rectangular matrices. That is, determinant is defined for only square matrices, not for rectangular matrices. So in this chapter, wherever I use word matrix, that matrix is nothing but square matrix, because determinant is defined only for square matrices. So now we shall go for notations of this determinant. So we have 4 different notations. Among them, this is one of the notation. So determinant of square matrix is defined only for square matrices. Therefore, I consider A as a square matrix. If I write that A within the vertical bar, we get a new notation that is known as determinant of A. It is read as, this notation is read as determinant of A. Here A is a square matrix, and also we can represent the determinant of A as det of A. Det of A. Here these 3 letters are the first 3 letters of the determinant. That's why we can also use the notation det of A to represent determinant of A. And how to represent the arrangement? How to represent determinant using this arrangement? So that is also can be done by taking the same arrangement, that is square arrangement, and enclosed within the vertical bar, instead of this square bracket. So that representation indicates determinant of square matrix, particularly determinant of square matrix of order 2. So this is what using the arrangement of elements. Then there is one more notation called delta. It is also used for the determinant of a square matrices. Here these are the 4 notations for determinant of a square matrix. Okay. Then what is the meaning of this determinant? What is the meaning of this symbol? So determinant of a square matrix is denoted by this symbol, and it is defined as determinant of A is defined as a number or an expression corresponding to square matrix. So determinant is the number or an expression corresponding to a square matrix, Okay. So what is determinant? Determinant of a square matrix is nothing but a number or an expression corresponding to a square matrix. It means determinant is defined for a square matrix and it gives us a real number corresponding to that square matrix. So therefore, by the meaning of this notation, I can list these 2 statements. Is that determinant is defined for every square matrix. Is defined for every square matrix. And one more is determinant of square matrix. Determinant of square matrix is unique number. It is either real number or complex number depending upon the entries in the square matrix. Okay. So these are the 2 statements from this meaning. Determinant is different for every square matrix, not for rectangular matrix, and determinant of a square matrix is nothing but a number, either real or complex. As per few syllabus, that number itself is a real number. As an extension, you can use a complex number in higher education. Okay. So by these 2 statements, By these two statements, we can treat determinant as a function. We can treat determinant as a function because function is nothing but a rule which associates every element of the first set to the any element of the second set. Here is also determinants acts like this because it is defined for each and every square matrices and it relates to any real number corresponding to that square matrix. So that's therefore determinant is defined as a function. So how do we define? So that is here. Suppose I consider set of all square matrices as a domain of the function and set of all real numbers as a codomain. Okay. So now define a function. From set of all square matrices to the set of all real numbers. So that function relates every element of this set. It means that function relates every square matrix to a image. So image of the function is the element of set of all real numbers, means this is a real number. So therefore this function relates every square matrix to a real number. It means this is the real number corresponding to a square matrix. By the meaning of the notation determinant of the square matrix A, so we can treat this f of A as determinant of A. So therefore this function acts like a determinant. So there similarly the B related to the image f of B. So that is a real number corresponding to this square matrix. Therefore you can use notation for that function as determinant of B. Similarly, image of C, that is square matrix under this determinant function, it is considered as this. So this is what a meaning of a determinant as a function. So determinant is defined as a function which relates every square matrix to a real number. So that is called determinant. Here you can observe the domain of the determinant, domain of the function or the domain of the determinant is set of all square matrices, and codomain of the function is set of all real numbers. Next, we will discuss about how to determine the determinant of given square matrix. So there are so many definitions depending upon the order of the square matrix. First, we shall discuss how to determine the determinant of square matrix of order 1. So determinant of square matrix of order 1. So consider a square matrix of order 1. So it has only one row and only one column, therefore there is only one element in that matrix. The corresponding determinant is denoted by this symbol, and determinant of square matrix of order 1 is defined as the element present inside itself. So determinant of square matrix of order 1 is defined as the element present inside itself. So that element is known as determinant of that square matrix itself. So for example, suppose A is a square matrix of order 1 containing 5 as an element, then determinant of that square matrix is 5 itself. Similarly, if suppose B is a square matrix of order 1 containing -2 as an element, then determinant of that square matrix is -2 itself, because that is the element present can take the determinant of that square matrix 0 itself, because the determinant of order 1 is defined as the element whatever present inside the square bracket, that element itself considered as determinant of that square matrix of order 1. So this definition, or by this definition, we can classify or distinguish the meaning of modulus as well as determinant. So how to distinguish the meaning of modulus as well as determinant? Here the modulus is defined only for real numbers or complex numbers. Means real numbers or complex numbers are the input for the modulus function. And what is the output of the modulus? Output of the modulus is always non-negative. But here in case of determinant, determinant is defined for only square matrices. That means square matrices are only the inputs of the determinant function. The output of the determinant is either positive or negative or zero, whatever the real number may be. But in case of modulus, it should be non-negative. Therefore, the modulus symbol is, modulus notation is different from this determinant. Therefore, don't confuse or don't read this notation as modulus of A, because this A is a square matrix. Therefore, you must read this one as a determinant of A. So this is what a definition of determinant of square matrix of order 2. So now we shall go for how to determine the determinant of a square matrix of order 2. So determine determinant of square matrix of order 2. So we consider a square matrix of order 2 as A. Since order 2, there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Generally, the elements are in this form: A21 and A22. And corresponding determinant is represented by this. Write the same arrangement. Within the vertical bar. This is known as determinant of square matrix of order 2. Then how to get or how to simplify this determinant to get a real number or a complex number? So that is obtained by this definition. So determinant of square matrix of order 2 is defined as, take the product of principal diagonal elements. Here in square matrix, these two elements are known as principal diagonal elements. Then these two elements are known as non-diagonal elements or non-principal diagonal elements. So to get a determinant of square matrix of order 2, first consider the product of principal diagonal elements, that is A11 into A22. After this, put a negative mark. Then take the product of non-principal diagonal elements, that is A21 into A1. So after simplification of this calculation, we get a real number or a complex number. That number is corresponding to this square matrix. Therefore, this is known as determinant of that square matrix. So how do we define determinant of square matrix of order 2? So determinant of square matrix of order 2 is defined as by taking the difference of product of principal diagonal elements first, then the product of non-principal diagonal elements. So by taking the difference of this type, we get a real number. That real number is known as determinant of order 2. For better understanding, I consider an example. For example, suppose A is a square matrix of order 2. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Just for an example. Then then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. By the definition of determinant of square matrix of order 2, we must take the product of principal diagonal elements first. Here 1 and 4 are principal diagonal elements. So therefore consider the product of those two elements first. Then put a negative mark after the product of principal diagonal. Then take the product of non-principal diagonal elements. That is 3 into 2. So we get 4. It is minus 6 and its simplification is minus 2. This minus 2 is the real number corresponding to the given square matrix. So therefore this is known as determinant of that square matrix. So how do we get determinant of square matrix of order 2? By taking the product of principal diagonal elements first, then put a negative mark, then take the product of non-principal diagonal elements. So after this simplification we get a real number. That real number is known as determinant of square matrix of order 2. Similarly, you can take one more example, that is suppose B is equal to a square matrix. The elements are 1 minus 2 is 3 and this is 4. Then determinant of this square matrix of order 3 is represented, 2 is represented by B within the vertical bar and that arrangement within the vertical bar. Then it is a determinant, it is known as determinant of order 2. Therefore, by definition, to get a real number, consider the product of principal diagonal elements first, then put a negative mark, then take the product of non-principal diagonal elements. And its simplification gives us 4 minus of minus becomes plus, minus and this minus is here. And 3 into 2 is 6, 3 plus 4 is 10. This 10 is a real number corresponding to the square matrix, therefore it is known as determinant of that square matrix. So this is a definition of determinant of square matrix of order 2. So in next class we will discuss about a determinant of square matrix of